Every year after the age of 60, most men lose muscle. Not because they're getting older, but because they keep following advice designed for younger bodies. That's the biggest mistake. If you've been walking every day, eating what you think is enough protein, and still notice weaker legs, slower movement, or less strength than a few years ago, it's probably not a lack of effort. Your body has simply changed the rules. After 60, muscle becomes less sensitive to both exercise and protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In other words, the same workout and the same diet that worked at 40 no longer produce the same results. But here's the encouraging news. Research consistently shows that men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s can still build muscle and gain strength. The key is understanding what actually triggers muscle growth in an aging body. It comes down to three things: the right nutrition, the right type of training, and the right recovery. Miss just one of them, and progress slows dramatically. Get all three right, and your body can begin rebuilding muscle again, even if you've already noticed signs of age-related muscle loss. Let's start with the first step, because it's where most men unknowingly make their biggest mistake. Step 1. Eat protein the way an older body needs it. The first mistake most men make is thinking they're eating enough protein simply because they have meat with dinner. After 60, that usually isn't enough. As we age, muscles become less responsive to protein. This means your body needs a stronger signal to start repairing and building muscle. If that signal is too weak, much of the protein you eat won't be used as effectively for muscle growth. That's why experts now recommend focusing on high-quality protein at every main meal, not just dinner. Good choices include eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, lean beef, cottage cheese, soy foods, and whey protein if you struggle to meet your daily needs through food. Just as important is spreading your protein throughout the day. A breakfast with only toast and coffee leaves your muscles waiting for hours before they receive the nutrients they need. Starting the day with eggs, yogurt, or another protein-rich meal gives your body an earlier opportunity to begin muscle repair. Another common mistake is eating too little overall. Many older adults lose their appetite as they age. They skip meals or eat very small portions without realizing they're also reducing the nutrients their muscles depend on. If your goal is to rebuild muscle, every meal should answer one simple question: where is my protein? Once your muscles have the building blocks they need, the next step is giving them a reason to use those building blocks. And that's where resistance training becomes essential. Step 2. Give your muscles a reason to grow. Many men over 60 believe that walking is enough to maintain muscle. Walking is one of the best exercises for your heart, circulation, and overall health. But when it comes to rebuilding muscle, it's usually not enough by itself. Muscles only grow when they're challenged. When you lift a weight, push against resistance bands, or perform bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups, your muscle fibers receive a signal that they're no longer strong enough for the job. In response, your body begins repairing those fibers so they're better prepared next time. That's how muscle grows. The key isn't lifting the heaviest weight you can find. It's progressive overload, making the exercise just a little more challenging over time. For example, if you can comfortably perform 10 chair squats today, aim for 12 next week. If you're using 10-pound dumbbells, move to 12 pounds once the current weight feels easy. Small improvements, repeated consistently, produce lasting results. Research consistently shows that 2 to 3 full-body strength training sessions per week are enough for most adults over 60 to improve muscle strength and preserve mobility. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. A 30 to 45-minute session focusing on major muscle groups is often enough. Prioritize exercises that mimic daily life. Squats, or chair, stands for stronger legs. Rows for better posture. Push-ups against a wall or bench for upper body strength. Deadlifts with light weights for lifting objects safely. Farmers' carries to improve grip and balance. These movements don't just build muscle. They make everyday tasks, but training creates the stimulus. The actual rebuilding happens afterward. That's why the third step is just as important as the first two. Step 3. Recover like muscle depends on it. Here's something many people don't realize. You don't build muscle while you're exercising. You build muscle after you exercise. Resistance training creates tiny amounts of stress in your muscle fibers. During recovery, your body repairs that damage and makes the muscle stronger. If recovery is poor, that repair process is limited. The biggest factor is sleep. During deep sleep, your body increases muscle protein synthesis, restores energy, and supports the hormones involved in recovery. If you're sleeping only 5 or 6 hours a night, your muscles simply don't have enough time to rebuild efficiently. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep whenever possible. Recovery also means giving muscles enough time between hard workouts. More isn't better. Training the same muscle hard every day can actually slow progress. Most men over 60 recover better with at least 1 day of rest before training the same muscle group again. Another overlooked factor is chronic inflammation. A poor diet, excess body fat, smoking, excessive alcohol, and constant stress all make it harder for muscles to recover. On the other hand, regular exercise, whole foods, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and adequate protein create a better environment for muscle growth. Think of recovery as the time when your investment pays off. Without recovery, your workouts become effort without results. With good recovery, every workout becomes more valuable. Now let's put all 3 steps together. Protein provides the raw materials. Resistance training tells your muscles to grow. Recovery gives your body time to rebuild. Remove one of those 3, and progress slows. Combine Accurus 3 consistently, and your body has everything it needs to become stronger, even if you've already noticed signs of age-related muscle loss. But before you start, there are 3 mistakes that stop most men from seeing results, no matter how hard they work. The 3 biggest mistakes that keep men weak after 60. Even if you exercise regularly, these 3 mistakes can erase much of your progress. Mistake has own. Doing only cardio. Walking, cycling, or swimming are excellent for your heart, but they don't provide enough resistance to stop age-related muscle loss on their own. If your goal is to stay strong, resistance training has to be part of your weekly routine. Mistake #2. Not eating enough protein. Many older men eat a light breakfast, a small lunch, and 1 large dinner. That pattern often leaves muscles without enough protein for most of the day. Try to include a quality protein source at every meal instead of saving it all for the evening. Mistake #3. Trying to train like you're 30. More weight, more sets, more workouts. That's not the answer. After 60, recovery becomes just as important as training. A smart program that you can follow every week will always outperform an intense program that leaves you exhausted or injured. Remember this simple formula. Eat enough protein. Train with resistance. Recover well. Those 3 habits work together. Ignore one, and the other 2 become less effective. The goal isn't to become a bodybuilder. It's to stay strong enough to enjoy your life, to climb stairs without stopping, to carry groceries without struggling, to travel, garden, play with your grandchildren, and remain independent for as many years as possible. That's what building muscle after 60 is really about. Growing older doesn't automatically mean becoming weaker. It means your body needs a different strategy. The science is clear. Muscles can still grow after 60 when you give them the right signals. Start by eating enough high-quality protein. Add 2 or 3 strength training sessions each week. Make recovery a priority instead of an afterthought. Don't expect dramatic changes in 2 weeks. Aim to be a little stronger next month than you are today. Those small improvements add up. A stronger body means better balance, more energy, greater confidence, and, most importantly, the freedom to keep doing the things you love. Your age isn't the biggest factor determining your future strength. Your daily habits are.